Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss NEET NTA 58 organic chemistry question. Now first question, when propanoic acid is subjected to reduction with hydroiodic acid and red phosphorus, the product form is. So propanoic acid CH3 CH2 COOH, when this molecule is treated with red phosphorus and HI. Now red phosphorus and HI act as strong reducing agent. Now we have to use 6 equivalent of HI, so it will be converted to alkane CH3 CH2 CH3. First aldehyde is formed, then aldehyde is converted to alcohol, and finally alcohol converted to alkane. So correct answer is B. Propane is formed as an ultimate product of the reaction. In this question, acetylene is treated with NiCN whole twice. So when acetylene is treated with NiCN whole twice, now 4 molecule of acetylene combine to form cyclooctatetraene molecule. Now if we are having 4 equivalents of acetylene, now a pericyclic reaction takes place in which a cyclic transition state is formed. So after cyclic transition state, it will be converted to cyclooctatetraene. Now cyclooctatetraene is non-aromatic compound which is having tub shaped structure, and hence correct answer is C. In this question we have to find what is the use of copper sulfate in Geldahl method. Now Geldahl method is used to detect amount of nitrogen in organic compound, and in this method copper sulfate act as catalytic agent. Now this reaction is called Geldahl method because reaction takes place in oval shaped flask, and this flask is called Geldahl flask, hence the reaction is also called Geldahl method. During Geldahl method, one thing is very important, that it is frequently asked in exam that which of the following compound cannot show Geldahl method, or nitrogen content in which of the following compound cannot be detected due to Geldahl method. So if nitrogen is present in nitro compound, azo compound, nitrogen present in aromatic ring like in pyridine cannot be identified because these nitrogens cannot be converted to ammonium sulfate. In this question we have to find the intermediate involves in reaction of phenol with chloroform and sodium hydroxide to give ortho hydroxy benzaldehyde. Now this example of Riemann-Tiemann reaction in which phenol is treated with chloroform in presence of KOH. So salicylaldehyde is formed as a product. Now in this reaction dichlorocarbene is used, is formed as intermediate. First of all, KOH is strong base, so KOH will give K positive and OH negative. Now chloroform CHCl3 is having H and Cl. Now H and Cl can be easily removed. If OH negative attack on chloroform, now this hydrogen is acidic, so water molecule is released and it will converted to CCl3 negative. Now Cl negative is removed, so after removal of Cl negative it gives dichlorocarbene. Now this dichlorocarbene act as electrophile in this reaction, so correct answer is A, dichlorocarbene. In this question we have to find product obtained in reaction of tertiary butyl bromide. So when tertiary butyl bromide, which is 3-degree alkyl halide, is treated with sodium methoxide, so Sodium methoxide act as a strong base and hence E2 reaction takes place, and due to steric crowding SN2 reaction is not possible, so instead of substitution elimination takes place and it will be converted to isobutene, and hence correct answer is B, isobutylene or isobutene. In this question we have to identify end product of the reaction. So when acetylene is treated with HgSO4 and H2SO4 under aqueous condition, now Kucherov reaction takes place and first it will be converted to enol. Now this enol will tautomerize to give acetaldehyde. Now this acetaldehyde molecule is treated with Grignard reagent. So now Grignard reagent will act as nucleophile attack on carbon, so it will be converted to secondary alcohol. Now this secondary alcohol is further oxidized, and after oxidation it will be converted to acetone, and hence correct answer is C. Which of the following on heating with aqueous KOH produce acetaldehyde? So when both Cl are attached on same carbon, now this type of compound is called gem dihalide. Now gem dihalide on reacting with aqueous KOH, now OH negative will replace Cl, both of Cl negative, so it will be converted to this gem diol. Now gem diol have lone pair repulsion, and due to these lone pair repulsion, water molecule is eliminated, and after removal of water molecule it will be converted to CH3CHO acetaldehyde, and hence correct answer is C. This gem dihalide on treating with aqueous KOH will give acetaldehyde. In this question we have to find which named reaction is used to convert amide into amine. So Hofmann bromide reaction is used to convert amide into amine. If amide is treated with bromine and KOH, so it will be converted to one carbon less containing amine, along with CO2 gas is released. Now this reaction is called Hofmann bromide reaction, and hence correct answer is C. Which gas is emitted in fermentation? So during fermentation of glucose molecule in presence of enzyme which is secreted by yeast, it will be converted to ethanol, and along with ethanol there is formation of carbon dioxide gas, and hence correct answer is B. In this question we have to find which of the given is polymer is natural polymer. Now polyester is lab synthesized, glyptal is also synthesized in lab, nylon 2 nylon 6 is also synthesized in lab, and it is biodegradable also. And starch is natural polymer. Starch is composed of two type of polymer. One is amylose, which is having C1C4 linkage, and another is amylopectin. Now amylopectin is having C1C4 along with C1C6 linkage, and hence correct answer is C. In this question we have to find alpha D glucose and beta D glucose differ from each other at one of the carbon atom due to difference in. Now this is D glucose molecule, and when cyclization takes place the new chiral carbon is generated. At this new chiral carbon OH may present below the plane, OH may present above the plane. If OH is present below the plane, now this is called alpha D glucopyranose, and if OH is present above the plane, now this is called beta D glucopyranose. And alpha D beta D glucopyranose differ in configuration, and hence correct answer is D. This question we have to find total number of geometrical isomer possible for this compound. Now this molecule is having two stereosite around which geometrical isomerism is observed, and this molecule is unsymmetrical. For any unsymmetrical molecule, total number of geometrical isomers is equal to 2 raised to power n, where n is equal to number of stereosite where geometrical isomerism is observed. So here n is equal to 2, two stereosites are present. So total geometrical isomer 2 raised to power 2. So total 4 isomers are possible, and hence correct answer is A. In this question we have to find which drug in the given is effective in the treatment of pneumonia, bronchitis, etc. Now if we take penicillin, now penicillin is effective only against gram positive bacteria, so it is narrow spectrum, and narrow spectrum so can be used for particular type of bacteria. Now streptomycin is narrow broad spectrum, but it cannot be used for treatment of pneumonia and bronchitis. It is used for tuberculosis. Chloramphenicol, now this is broad spectrum, and due to broad spectrum it can be used for various type of bacteria, so it is used for treatment of pneumonia and bronchitis, and hence correct answer is C.